Many times, tamarinds are confused with legumes because of their brown shell and pod-like shape. But the truth is that this fruit, although it's not very well known, has several health benefits due to its nutritional value. Apart from its vitamins, antioxidants, and organic compounds, the tamarind has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Eating this fruit can strengthen your cardiovascular, circulatory, digestive, nervous, and immune systems. In today's video, we're going to explain how your body can benefit from a regular consumption of this fruit. They improve digestion. Do you feel like your digestion takes too long? Or maybe you're having a hard time using the restroom? Tamarinds can help. The fibers present in them make your bowel movements easier. Furthermore, they stimulate the gastric juice and bile, improving the food digestion process. As incredible as it may seem, this fruit is considered to be a natural laxative and is used to treat chronic diarrhea. They contribute to our heart's health. Apart from contributing to the lowering of high blood pressure and reducing of cholesterol, tamarinds are rich in potassium and vitamin C, nutrients that are good for your heart. In order to obtain these benefits, all you need is a handful of tamarind leaves and water. Boil the water in a pot. Next, add the leaves and let it boil for 3 more minutes. Once that is done, let the mixture cool. Drink the tea throughout the day. They prevent anemia. You've probably already heard that tamarinds are great at improving anemia since they help your circulatory system. With the ideal amounts of iron in your blood, we guarantee that you will have an adequate amount of red blood cells, the cells that are responsible for oxygen circulation. Weight loss. One of the main qualities of this fruit is its ability to aid in weight loss. Since it's rich in fiber, it helps eliminate the fats in the food we eat and keep us full for longer. Furthermore, tamarinds have hydroxycitric acid, which inhibits an enzyme that stores fat. You can pair this recipe with a balanced diet and exercise in order to accelerate weight loss. Ingredients: 1 slice of pineapple, half of a small papaya, half a cup of tamarind juice. Instructions: blend it all together. You should drink this in the morning. They control diabetes. Remember the HCA, the acid we just talked about? That same acid is able to limit the amount of carbohydrates that your body absorbs and turns into fat and sugar. This is great for anyone with diabetes because it keeps your blood sugar levels under control. In order to obtain the best results, eat some tamarinds 3 times a week. They're a potent anti-inflammatory. You may not know, but tamarinds are used in several herbal medicines around the world. Due to their anti-inflammatory action, they can be used to treat eye infections, gout, arthritis, and rheumatic conditions. They boost your immune system. Apart from being great for the immune system due to the vitamin C they contain, tamarinds have antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. In a study performed in Brazil, tamarinds proved to act positively against all bacteria tested, including some of the most common agents in food infections, Salmonella and E. coli. Their seeds are also used to get rid of worms. They help with liver problems. Tamarinds have properties that protect and flush our liver. It's great at treating bile problems and reducing liver fat. Here is a good way to consume tamarinds. Ingredients: 100 grams of peeled tamarind, 1 liter of water. Instructions: blend the tamarind and 1 cup of water. The result will be a thick juice. After that, blend it again, adding the rest of the water. Drink this mixture throughout the day, dividing it into 3 doses. To complement this beverage, maintain a natural diet, rich in vegetables, and avoid alcoholic beverages and processed foods. Hair loss. Tamarinds are also widely used in home remedies to fight hair loss. Do the following: boil some peeled tamarinds, wait for them to cool, and apply the mixture to your scalp, massaging gently with your fingertips. After that, let it sit for an hour. Then rinse with cold water. Repeat the process 3 times a week. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.